everyone, welcome back to my craft room. Today I wanted to talk to you about taking white lace and making it into vintage lace. So I started out with white lace. I just bought it in bulk online, and I took a big mason jar and I shoved all the lace down in there, and I filled it about 1/3 of the way full of coffee. And then I let it sit in there about an hour, and every 10 minutes or so I just shook it around just to get all the coffee mixed all around. So then I took plastic hanger and I just hung on my lace till it was dry. So then I thought, well, what am I going to do with it now? So I wanted to make little holders for it. So I started out with just a tag. This came with the thank you notes on the front. It was the packaging. So what I did was I cut that into thirds. I cut it into 3 pieces. Now this is about 2 1/4 inches wide. So then I took this punch. You could probably take any punch that's square or any punch that's similar in shape. So then what I did was I cut this side, and then I cut this side, and it made this fun little shape. And then it's really easy to take your lace and just wind it around. So I wound it around, and then when I got to the end, I cut the side, a little slit in the side, and I took a piece of the lace, the very end of it, and I just put it in here, and then I put it in a bin, and I put that little piece sticking up so I can easily find all my different laces that I wanted. And that's how I made my little holders. Thanks.